Hello everybody, my name's Dave, thanks for joining me. Couple of things today. One is why there's been no updates on the Jackaroo lately. I'm waiting for shims for the valves. I think I did them wrong and that's been the problem, so we'll see. Hopefully I should have them by tomorrow or the Monday and I should be able to do a video of that. In the meantime, I'm branching into another area, which is electronics repairs, something I'm quite interested in. So today we've got a bit of an unboxing. This is a 2-in-1 soldering station and I bought it by accident, not knowing it was from Horridcy, so I'm happy with that. It's got a manual, it's got a set of tweezers of different varying types, which is quite good. It's got the cover, sponge, it's got this and that. It's a soldering iron stand, and then there'll be in here will be the soldering iron and the rework gun, heat gun. Now this is my second one of these. I do have a different one, but unfortunately it didn't work. Had a lot of trouble with the seller. Bought it off eBay, didn't work. Got this one from a local guy. It's exactly the same. It's got a set of bits, it's got all the nozzles for the ends. Let's see what we get then. Let's see if it works. I've got some power here to try it, so we'll give it a go. So as in with the other one, there's a sponge, and a soldering iron. That's a lot better made as well. It's got a good flexible thing on the end there. This is the mains lead, just a standard kettle lead with an Aussie plug on one end. So we'll give it a try. I'll plug this in anyway. So we've got the power there, we don't need them, we do need this. Now this is the gun. Now these all seem to be very similar in their make, although this one is slightly different in the fact that it's got a screw thread here, whereas the other one didn't. But anyway, I don't think I'm going to need this knife. I've opened the box already, obviously. So let's see what we get here. This is the actual Rework Station. And there you go, right there. So well, I didn't realise when I'd actually ordered this it was a Horridcy. More than happy with that. As I've said in the past, don't really like Chinese items, but some companies in China, they're worth buying from. So let's see what this one's like. Get the screw on, there we go. Right, let's plug this in and see how we get on. Oh, there's an on and off switch on the back too. Oh, both of them work this time. I better read some instructions. Warnings, precautions, schematic diagram. 2-in-1 soldering station has a dual blue LED display set. Accurate setting and control temperature at plus or minus 1 degree C. High volume hot air gun heating up quickly. The wind is soft and large. Suitable for lead and unleaded operation. So that's not petrol, that's leaded solder and unleaded solder. Unfortunately, people think that leaded solder is dangerous. In fact, soldered lead is much better than non-soldered lead. The most scientific and fashionable 2-in-1 design with a quality ABS plastic housing. The machine, compact and durable. I'll just turn it off for a sec while I read this. It also has the function of fault self-detection and fault warning. Okay, turn on the main power switch to the rear soldering stations. Both screens display 3 blue lines, that's correct. Turn on the switch of the soldering part. The display of previous set temperature and actual temperature will display in 1.5 seconds. It's heating up pretty rapidly. The machine is heating when the blue light in the bottom left hand corner LED display are on. It stops heating when the blue light is off. And it's a little dot in the corner, so it's actually heating up now. The blue light flashes for constant temperature. Use the plus and minus the heating button, these buttons here, for hold down the button to set the temperature. The machine will already automatically set the value when the LED display blinks. And I can tell you that that is warming up nicely. I'm going to turn that off because don't need that anymore. Press the soldering up and down buttons at the same time and then press up to make the screen display --2 and then select by adjusting the hot air up button. 000 means sleep mode off. 0001 means no operation for 1 minute. The soldering station will enter sleep mode. So what we need to do is turn that back on. Hold both of them down. And then press. Okay, so what we might do now is do a test of the temperature. I have a thermal camera, so we'll give that a try. Now that says it's at 300 degrees, so it could be in Fahrenheit and this could be in centigrade. That could be a problem. So let's figure out how we can check it's in Fahrenheit or centigrade. So we're in degrees C. Got onto this at 200 degrees. And it should be at 300. 260, we're getting there. Well, I saw 275 on there. Alright, so we need to do a bit of calibrating, I think. Press the soldering up and down buttons at the same time and then press the up button to make the display, so 3. That should get the calibration a bit closer. Right, that's supposed to be 300. And I've got it at -2. It's a bit awkward to get these right. If you just quite press them at exactly the same time. I've got a digital thermometer here. Surface temperature. Let's give this a try. It just says high. I think it's designed for body temperature. 31.7. Body temperature 36.4. Yeah, it just comes up with high, so that's not going to work. Never mind. That's pretty good. Pretty fast. Ooh, it smells like burning Chinaman. As you can see in the end there, it's got all orange. Nice heat coming out of there. Now when you rest it back on here, it goes into this hot air mode, blows hot air out, gets it cool. You can see the temperature descending. I don't know what that gets down to, maybe 150 or something, we'll see. Still blowing fairly hot. This is to preserve the life of the gun and the element inside. Still going down, 140 now. Yeah, I bought this thermal camera online. Thought it might be quite handy. It's a JD109 thermal camera. It cost me about $40, I think. Right, so I've turned off the soldering iron and it's now gone into sleep mode for a heater. That's off and that's off. So that's good. So we've got a number of soldering iron bits. We've got a number of nozzles here for the end of the heat gun. This is actually my second rework station. The first one's brand new, but it doesn't work on the heat gun side. And as it doesn't light up, I suspect it's a power supply issue. Now it's definitely not as well made because the pins are just not as good. Well, if you get on one of those there, Cat. Here she is. I can't make a video these days without her being in it, can I? Hey? She wants to be in everything. She's the only cat you can do this to, and she doesn't even flinch. Yeah, hey, don't even flinch. Anyway, that's my unboxing. I've given you my update on the Jackaroo, and I'll see you on the next video, which should be very soon. See ya.